every human being learns about social norms by looking at another human being. When we're young, we look at our parents and then our peers. And, as we get older, we learn from our friends and family. That's just how we learn about the social norms. However, for autistic people, following these social norms become very difficult, and that's because of our brains. So you have to understand two different parts of our brains, and one is the prefrontal lobe, and then there is a basal ganglia. Prefrontal lobe is the CEO of your brain, which means all the executive functioning lives there. Now, basal ganglia is deep within your brain, and what it does is it takes all the information and then makes it into hardwiring or habit forming. Now, the prefrontal cortex and the basal ganglia is always in touch with each other. They're talking. But in autistic people, that does not happen in neurotypical people. It's very different. So we have trouble making that into a habit. So every single time we're doing something, we have to think about it. We have to keep it in memory and then do it, like right before it forms a habit. Imagine we cannot, toothbrushing is not a habit for us. Smiling is not a habit for us, right? So we are putting in so much energy into these social norms that we've learned, we know that we need to do that, but doing that requires a lot of effort. So we should not chastise ourselves or the world around us for, it's so difficult to, yes, it is difficult to follow social norms, but it is because our brains are like that. It takes a lot of effort for our brains to do this because we cannot form habits.